Hello, it's John from Chester Oaks, and today we're in Northup, and over the next couple of days we're going to be taking this large sycamore tree down. It's a dismantle job, it's on a road, it's over a house, it's a challenging job. Let's have a look how we get on. Okay, so the tree's down. It's exactly how we wanted it. We're down to the stump now, and we've noticed in the stump, close to the ground, there's ancient graffiti in this tree. And it says, John W. April 1958. Whoever John W. is, I'm sorry pal, we're taking your tree down and we're taking your sign away. This stump's now got to be ground out, so we're going to get it down to ground level and then grind the stump.